In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to figure out which QuickBooks product you have. If you're using QuickBooks and you're either unsure about your current subscription or you're considering an upgrade, getting clarity on what you are using is the first step. So let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. Firstly, you'll want to begin by signing into your QuickBooks account. The sign-in process is quite simple. Start by heading to the official QuickBooks website and finding the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. With one click, you'll be prompted to a page where you'll see different QuickBooks services listed. Now, here's where you should select QuickBooks Online if that matches the product you're using. Once you've made your selection, you'll be taken to the sign-in page where you need to enter your credentials. This typically involves typing in your registered email address and password. After you've entered this information, go ahead and click on Continue. Remember, ensuring your login details are correct will save you a little time and potential headache, especially if you have multiple accounts. With a successful sign-in, you'll be directed to the QuickBooks main dashboard. Now it's time to find the specific details regarding your subscription. Your next stop should be the Settings menu. You can usually find this represented by a gear icon, typically placed at the upper right-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu with a host of options. In the Settings menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Subscriptions and Billing option. This section is like your personal billing hub. It holds all the key information about what you're currently subscribed to. Finally, once you're in the Subscriptions and Billing section, you should be presented with all the specifics of your current plan. Here you can find the name of your QuickBooks product, the type of subscription, and other billing details. This information is not only useful for knowing exactly what services you're paying for, but also invaluable if you're considering making changes or reaching out for support. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to understand which QuickBooks product you're currently using. Whether you're planning to optimize your business's financial management or just ensuring your information is up to date, knowing your subscription plan is key. If you still have questions or require further assistance, QuickBooks' customer support is always a click away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you clarify your QuickBooks subscription.